Happy Friday from Palm Springs, California. Alright, so happy Friday. I'd like to come on top of these mountains and just, see the beauty all around it. Today I just want to encourage you just to, when you feel discouraged, just do your very best. Remember that life is not just about you. Life is about to be a blessing to others. Your misery is to be someone else. If you want something, never envy, someone else luck, because you don't know what that person went through. Some are born with everything. Some, I tell you, never do something in life just because of the material satisfaction. That will get boring and you get tired. But when you have a vision and you're doing it because of passion just, your passion like it keeps you awake. It will totally keep you, do everything with passion today. God bless you.